Abot mo na.
Abot mo na, Karis. Oh, na-surprise ako.
Doon po, daan po kayo doon ay. Daan po kayo doon.
Akala ko sa Jers. Kukunan ko kasi. Yung kaya sila pa. Kaya sila ganda. Guys, guys.
Sorry, sorry.
Surprise talaga ako. Surprise talaga ako. Thank you.
That's right. Today marks a wonderful milestone, the 70th birthday of our dear Auntie Letty, a life filled with God's blessings, love from family, and countless reasons to celebrate.
Happy birthday.
And to start the night, let's welcome the woman of the hour, the queen of the celebration. Friends and family, let's give our warmest applause for our beloved celebrant, Mrs. Letty B. Fernandez.
Thank you so much. Grabe talaga. Thank you.
Grabe po. Kasi napakaganda ni Auntie Letty talaga ngayong gabi. Very beautiful. The most beautiful lady tonight. Tapos second time, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie